Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can change power button function in Redmi. To start, you will need to find and launch the Settings app. Next, find and enter the additional settings category. From here, open the gesture shortcuts, and now you can enable or disable the digital assistant launch from the side power button of your Redmi phone. So now let's test it out. And indeed the digital assistant gets launched. You can also assign the camera launch on it to double press, as well as enable this feature even when the screen is locked, as you can clearly see. Now you can also assign the flashlight on your side power key. So switch this feature on, and now you can double press the power button to enable or respectively disable the flashlight. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.